Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Mac is updated and you've backed up important files. Sign out of services that lock with your Apple ID. Specifically, open System Settings, select your name, and disable Find My Mac. This prevents activation lock. Once done, choose Sign Out and decide whether to keep a local copy of iCloud data. This clears the device of account links, so you can safely remove the old Apple ID and prepare to add a new one. Now remove the existing Apple ID. Open System Settings, click Apple ID, then Sign Out. Carefully read the prompts about retaining desktop, documents, and keychain data locally. Choose Keep on this Mac only if you need access without iCloud. After signing out, check Bluetooth and paired devices and unpair any Apple Watch or AirPods. Make sure App Store purchases are accessible with receipts or family sharing, because some apps may require reauthorization with the new account. Sign in with the new Apple ID through System Settings, right arrow Apple ID and enter credentials. Enable iCloud Drive, Photos, and Keychain as needed. Customize sync options so Mail, Contacts, and Calendars align with your workflow. Once signed in, review purchased apps and subscriptions and reauthorize purchased media if prompted. If something fails, make sure you're on a stable network, restart the Mac, and if keychain issues persist, reset it in Passwords and Accounts. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.